Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Twitter sensitivity content settings, and this is very easy to do. So if we're just on the application, let's go up to our picture icon in the upper left side of the screen and select this. Then go down to Settings and Privacy. Then under this page, we can go to Search Settings and simply type in Content You See. So Content You See right here and select this. Then go on down to where it says Search Settings and select this. Then you can checkmark Hide Sensitive Content and uncheckmark it, and it is now turned off. This prevents tweets with potentially sensitive content from displaying in your search results. Now, if you can't find it under the application, go back to your home screen and open up a web browser. So I'm going to open up Google Chrome and go to twitter.com, and this will be in the same area. So if we go to our picture icon, so I'm on twitter.com, then go on down to where it says Settings and Support, then go to Settings and Privacy, select this, then go to Privacy and Safety, and go to Content You See, decide what you can see on Twitter based on your preferences. Now go to Search Settings, and here is the same option right here, Hide Sensitive Content. Just simply uncheckmark this, and you should be good to go on the application as well as twitter.com. So that is two ways that you can access that menu. If this video did indeed help you out, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.